Let us begin with a simple example of a C++ program that prints a string on the screen. I am using a Visual Studio to execute the C++ program. To compile a program, we need to create a project and give the name. Here I am giving the name as Hello World and .cpp. It is an extension which is indicating that we are writing a C++ program. The reader must understand which program we are writing, so the heading will be given under the comment sections. There are two ways to write the comments. First is single line comment and the second is the multi-line comments. The comments are being given for the reader. They are not given for the compiler. So for this we are using the single line comment and then we will write the statement as write a C++ program to display hello world. The next important part is the preprocessor directive. Thus we have seen in the lecture structure of the C++. They are generally included at the start of the program. How we are writing it? So this is the syntax, that is hash include iostring. It contains the standard input and output strings. This header file contains the definition to the objects like cin and cout. The next, we will be writing it as using namespace std. The namespace, it defines the scope for the identifier that are being used in a program. For using the identifier defined in the namespace scope, we must include the using directive. Here the std in the namespace where C++ standard class libraries are defined. Using and the namespace are the keywords in the C++. After this, we will be writing the main function. Before writing the main function, the data type is to be defined. The data type that we are going to write is the integer. As we are writing the integer data type, it is going to return some value. What value it is going to return? So it is going to return the value in the form of 0. Then now what we have to do, we have to display the hello world onto the console. So for that we will be using the cout, then the insertion operator and double inverted commas. We will be writing the hello world. But before that, if we want to insert it onto the new line, then we will be writing it with the help of /n. Then we will be writing it as /t. Why we are using this /t? Because we want to give the tab and then we want to display hello world. After writing the statement, we are going to terminate it with the help of the semicolon. If we don't terminate it with the help of the semicolon, it is going to throw an error. Let us build this program. Here is the output that we are getting. Let us understand what is this output indicates. /n, here we have getting this as the empty line or the new line. Onto the new line the output is being displayed. Then the /t, here the tab is being left. Then the hello world. So after this hello world, if I want to insert the new empty line, then what we will be writing, there is another way to write the slash n, that is nothing but the end l. With the help of this, we will be inserting the new line. So hope so you have understood how to display the hello world onto the console.